What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I needed to put on some more nails. I got rid of my other set, so I needed to make a new set of nails, and I'm gonna be using some products that Madam Glam sent me that I wanted to share with you as well. Again, we are approaching Black Friday, so that means they're gonna be having sales. They already are having sales. I will make sure to put a little screen recording here again for you, just so you can get a quick glimpse. Today's theme is gonna be coffee. I filmed this video a little bit differently than I normally do. Normally I'll do the intro, unboxing, and then the nails, but this time, because of my environmental circumstances, I filmed the nails first, then the unboxing, and now I'm filming this intro. So what I'm saying may be all over the place, but I already did the nails and I love the way they came out. Total coffee theme. So if you're a coffee lover like me, maybe you will love these nails. So I'm gonna show you what Madam Glam sent me. I'm so excited. I'll make sure to link everything that I used down below, as well as everything else that was in the unboxing. Then I'll have my coupon code if you're interested, but they are just having so many good deals, you probably don't even need that. So make sure you check them out. I do have a couple more products coming that I want to show you as well. This is the time to stock up, you guys. If you have been eyeing Madam Glam products and you've just been waiting for the right time, this is it. I'm actually about to get their, I want to buy their, it's like their steam, their gel remover. It's for your hands. I've been saving up my credits, so I think that's what I'm gonna be using that for. So stay tuned for that one. I'm gonna definitely unbox that and do a demo for you guys on that, because I honestly haven't really seen too many people talk about that. So let me go ahead and show you the colors that they sent me, and then let's do this coffee themed nail set. Okay, here's all the swatches. I'm obsessed with all of them, but like, I've been eyeing this one for ages. I'm so glad I finally have it. This one is gorgeous. It's like a very light pink, pale pink with black, white, and gold flecks in it. Oh, so pretty. And look at this purple. Wow. And then this cat eye is a jelly, actually. It's actually a jelly cat eye. I don't know if you can see. But look, this is just on a clear base. Imagine if I had it over black. Oh, Madam Glam, you guys do cat eyes right. Please do more. You guys haven't came out with a cat eye in a hot minute. And you guys always kill the cat eyes. And then here are the marble inks. Definitely different from Dime Nails inks. The ones that I always use, the only ones that I use. I need to figure out what their instructions are for their inks, but like, I'm very happy to finally have them and to try them out. There are the colors that she sent me, along with the pigment palette, the Harmony one. There we go. I'm so happy with all of these. We're definitely going to be using this pigment palette here, and then I'm also going to be using the white ink here. So we're going to use these another time, but these will be the star of today's show. So let's go ahead and jump into the nail set. So if you never used these before, it tells you to apply a white base first, and then you're supposed to go in with the velvet matte top coat. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply white to all 5 of my nails. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the Velvet Matte Top Coat to each and then cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with just a buffer. This is just a 100-180, and I'm gonna buff the surface of each of those nails just to make sure it's very smooth, because if there's any like kind of unevenness, the pigment is gonna catch onto that and it'll come out darker than other laces. So you're gonna see a lot of patchiness. So I found that if I just buff over it first, then it lessens the chances of that happening. To apply the pigment, I just use this fluffy brush here. I'm just gonna use these two colors, this top one here and then this dark one here, and just place it randomly. I mean, it's coffee with cream, so it's just gonna float around wherever it feels like it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna pat it in and just build up the opacity little by little. And you technically don't have to do the buffing before this if you don't want to. It's not in the instructions. I'm sure you'll be okay with it, but like I said, it'll just lessen the chances of getting like patchiness. That's just what I've found, but it's definitely not necessary. Building up the pigmentation, and then I'm gonna just wipe off my brush like on a paper towel and then go in with the next color. Okay, I just wiped it on some paper towel. I'm gonna take this color now, place that on the open spaces. Patting helps to like pack in the color and then just blend it in once you have it down. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna put the white ink right over it. I'm gonna add a matte top coat over this to seal this in, and then I'm gonna go over them again to build up the opacity. Look how good it looks when you have the top coat on it. Okay, again, I'm gonna just buff it out a little bit, nothing too crazy. Once I'm happy with it, I'm gonna add one more coat of matte top coat because I'm gonna use the ink, and when you're using inks, you want your nail to be matte. When I was doing the other hand, I was using the ink the same way that I do with the Dime Nails ink, which is I'll apply it to the nail. Make sure you shake it well. I'll apply it to the nail, and then I will take a brush and dip it into alcohol, and then I'll use that to move around the ink. But with Madame Glam's ink, I don't know if it's just the white, it's like I feel like I don't even need to do that. Just the way it applies and like blends out, it does its own marble for you. Like this is, I feel like this is more beginner friendly of an ink. Like you see, you can literally just do that and just let it be. But I'm still gonna take a little bit of alcohol on a brush to just kind of move it around some. It's really not necessary, but I'm just so used to doing this with my inks. And then you can just add more ink as you like until you like the pattern of it. But this being a coffee, it doesn't matter how the cream is floating around, so it just works on its own. That was just so easy. Okay, so now that I'm happy with the way that is, I'm just gonna add my top coat right over it. This is the normal top coat. I still can't find my no wipe. So this one I do have to wipe off a tacky layer. Look at how how pretty. And the glossy top coat, I was debating between the matte and the glossy, but the glossy brings out more of the color of the pigment. I like both, honestly. I'm gonna cure that for 60 seconds. I'm just taking a lint-free wipe with some alcohol on it to get rid of the sticky layer. This is literally it, you guys. Like, look how easy that was. I probably could have blended that in a little bit better between the brown and the light brown, but that's okay. So I just did every other nail with the coffee design, and then the other two, I just made a solid brown, so I'll show you what I did. I just did a full nail using this one here. Still the same steps. I added the color, matte top coated it, added the color again, and then top coated it. For the solid brown nails, I added some of these brown rhinestones to it and some of these gold caviar beads. I'm just gonna use the top coat as my glue since it's nothing crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna speed on through these other nails and you guys can just watch since you already know what I'm gonna do. Okay, you guys, for the ring finger, I also have this little guy here that I'm gonna add. I already have his buddy on the other side, but it's just so perfect. And so for this, I also used the McCart rhinestone glue, and I just went around the edges of it to help seal it so it doesn't get caught in my hair, because I am gonna wear these. I just wanted to seal it as much as possible. If you guys haven't tried this glue, it's really good. I like it because it's got this brush option in it, which is good for situations like this. And then it also has a little squeeze point to it, and you guys have seen me use it before, so I really like it. And then I'm just gonna top coat the outside of it just to make it smooth all around. Okay, you guys, here are the final nails. Look how cute these little duckies are. Are you getting coffee vibes like me? I definitely debated whether or not I wanted to do matte nails, but the matte made the nude blend into my skin too much, so there we go. I hope you guys like it. These ducks are so cute. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me as always. Thank you so much again, Madam Glam, for sending me these products. I will make sure to link everything down below, so check them out, you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!